Hi, my name is Jake. Today we're going to be doing a fan removal and install on a D025 Wine Guardian Sentinel unit. This unit might not look exactly how you see it in the field. The panels have already been removed and the fan inside should be exactly the same as what you have. For the fan removal, you're going to need a 7/16 socket and a Phillips head screwdriver for the top. With your 7/16 socket, you're going to remove the two nuts that hold the metal fan plate to the base. Same with the other side. Should be accessible from any of the three panels that have been removed. Once the base is removed, you can move to the screws on the fan shroud with your screwdriver, and then move to your wiring. Take note before removal that the black wire number 21 goes to the blue side of the capacitor, and the white wire 22 goes to the double black. Once those are removed, you can take the fan motor itself out from either the top or the controller side opening. For this step, we're going to remove the old motor from the bracket and replace it with the new one. So you start taking your Allen key and removing the 4 screws in the middle, like so. Then you're going to take a 1/4 inch bit, remove the self-tappers from the capacitor, and remove the wires from their tie base. The capacitor will be held together with 2 pieces of hardware. They need to get cut, like so, and like so. And then the fan can be removed from its bracket. Once the old motor is removed, you'll put the new motor back into your fan bracket. You're going to start by putting the wires through the way you found them, like so, and then lining up your holes for your mounting screws. Once the fan bracket's lined up, you'll put your 4 mounting screws into the middle where the holes for the motor match the holes on the bracket. Make sure you have your lock washer on the other side of the screw. And once those are tight, we'll move on to remounting and rewiring the fan capacitor. So you want to take your screws from the old capacitor and to line them up with the holes that were already there. Next, we're going to move on to rewiring the capacitor. You'll take your 2 wires from the fan, the brown and the black, and wire them into either side of the fan. The black wire should get a female lead, like so. And the brown wire will get spliced with the other side of the capacitor and capped off, like so. Before you tie down your wires, ensure that you put your ground wire underneath one of the 4 screws on the fan bracket so that the fan is grounded. And once that's secure, you can retie your wires back to the tie base on the bracket. And now your new motor is attached to the old fan bracket. Once your fan is installed on the bracket, you can either now mount it between the side panel or the top. For this, I'm going to choose to do the top because it is open for me. And you're just going to line up the holes of the bracket with the base pan's studs. Once those are in place, You'll take the hardware that was provided from the original fan, a 7/16 nut, and just get it lined up. Once those are in place, you can go ahead and tighten those two down. Once the base is set down, you take your two Phillips head screws and tighten them into the PEMs on the plastic part of the fan. Once the fan bracket is mounted to the shroud, give your fan a spin to ensure it's not rubbing, and you're free to wire your two leads, the black wire 21 going to the blue on the fan, and the white wire 22 going to the double black on the fan. And that is an installed fan. That was your fan install and removal. For any more help or any questions, click the link in the video description.